So check out my Windows desktop screen. You can see that my desktop screen is empty. You cannot see any apps icons, or you cannot even see the my computer folder or whatever it is, the browsers or the files folders. Everything is missing in my desktop. So for enabling this, if you does not see your icons or whatever you saved in your desktop, if it is missing, you must simply go to your mouse right. You must right click your mouse. So you must click the this portion of your mouse. So you must simply click this portion of the mouse. Then you can see here, from here you can choose the view, and from the view you can see large icon, medium icon, small icons, and at the bottom you can see show desktop icon. So if you click this show desktop icon, then everything in your desktop appears. So you can see that everything appears. For more videos like this, subscribe and invest online. Thank you.